Hello and welcome to this page. My name is Steven Saliba and I am a coach and trainer in the home business industry. And let me just give you a little short story of how I ended up where I am today. Well, when I first got started online, I pretty much did everything that my upline told me to do. I passed out the business cards and flyers. I went to hotel meetings and tried to get people to go to hotel meetings with me. And I failed miserably. It wasn't working. So then I found my way to the internet and I started learning marketing strategies online. And when I did that, my business skyrocketed. It was never the same. So I prepared for you a 7-day video marketing bootcamp that's going to show you exactly how the top network marketers and direct sales business owners are marketing their business online. So you can enter in your name and email below, and you can enter in your phone number if you'd like. I'd give you a free 10-minute internet marketing consultation, and I hope to see you on the inside. Thank you for your time.